Hi Pyro people, my name is Steve Stasnos and I'm the inventor of the Crackle Cube. The Crackle Cube allows you to take firing modules from different companies and incorporate them into a pyromusical. You would script that pyromusical using the Crackle Show Creator Windows software. You could then play back that show either using Crackle Show Creator or the iOS or Android mobile app. The Crackle Cube has an RF antenna that has 600 feet of range. Now this is the Pro version. The Pro version also has a dedicated Wi-Fi antenna that gets you 400 feet of Wi-Fi distance. So what that means is you would have 400 feet from your position to the cube, and then from the cube you'd have 600 feet of RF range in all directions to communicate with your RF modules. It also has a connector on the bottom for attaching to a tripod to raise the level and get better RF and Wi-Fi signal. Now to go along with the Crackle Cube is the DMX Cube. The DMX Cube allows you to take and add DMX devices like flame projectors, lights, and so on, and incorporate them into your pyromusical show. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how the system works. So first I'm going to turn on the Crackle Cube. The Crackle Cube take about 5 seconds, and then it'll start broadcasting its own Wi-Fi network. Once that's started, I'm going to go ahead and start the DMX Cube. DMX Cube is going to attach to that same Wi-Fi network. So when you're using the system out in the field, you're going to attach to that Wi-Fi network. You do not need internet, but you do need to connect up to the devices via Wi-Fi. All right, so I'm going to move over and demo the system. So the first thing I'm going to do is take our DMX Cube, and you can see there's a DMX connector on the back, and I'm going to plug in our DMX light. Put that in place so that you can see it better. All right, so you can see the Crackle Cube network here, which I'm going to go ahead and select. And then I'm going to run our software. And I'm going to select the shows. Now these shows are automatically synced via the cloud between when you script it and having it available for running. All right, so we're going to select the demo show. It's going to load that up. Now, if we had music, there would be a visualization here of the music signal, but since we don't have it, we won't have that visualization here. Okay, so we're simply going to arm the show, and you can see that both cubes have been loaded up with our show. It's as simple as that. So we're going to take and see how the system works by me starting the show, and then I will walk us through the devices being fired. Okay, so I hit the start button, the show starts, and you can see the modules start firing. Now the Biluscon 24 is set up for rapid fire, which you can script that way in the software, and you can see some of the other modules start to fire, including the Happiness 24, which is set to fire all, which you just did. And you can see some of these other devices that are supported, just kind of doing a single firing. And then finally, we'll have our DMX trigger. And that's the basics of using the Crackle Cube and demonstrating how it works with some of the different modules that are available. Thanks.